Hello everyone, I bring another video for OTC markets. This strat can be used for any markets. Okay, so let's start with that and let's remove this one. So I'm going to remove this, guys. We start with the strategy itself. I'm going to use two that many of you mentioned the live strings. When I make a video, I think I had made a video with the tool, but I'm going to do this again. So we start with the explanation and let's go to indicators. It's not indicators as such, it's as tool. It's going to use what's called Fibonacci retracement. I click explain that the bad thing about the pocket shops is that I want to configure it. I won't let me see that levels what I want because there's a specific configuration, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to use this one, values, okay, and that's color. That's up to you if you want to change this one or not. So I'm getting this an upward trend. That is the price is going up and I want to enter the retracement. I must place the point 0 and that the upward move begins the point 1 at where the level. Okay, so that is the best way that you can use it. This is strategy, the Fibonacci 2, otherwise I'm doing the downward movement. Okay, always get the reaction. So I want to enter the bearish retracement. This price come down strongly and I have to do the deposit and I have to mark this on the 0 to 1. And I'm showing that. So observe where the retracement occurred in the downward movements. And I have to explain how to use this tool. And look at this. All right. I'm going to get an entry, okay, guys, and analysis on this one. Euro JPY, OTC. I mark the Fibonacci. The movement is bullish. Its Fibonacci level will tell me the probability of the bearish or bullish reaction. Its level is resistance support that must match one of the chart. If there is nothing, that level is not considered and another must be found. Generally, when an important level is broken, the price should continue. All right. So look at this one. We got an upward. Again, revert and start to go down. So just started the 1 going to the 0. That's the deposit level. Okay, we're gonna use the 38, the 50, and the 61 line. Oh, that's happening right here. That is showing for us what is it needs to take the details. Toward the other level, this use how is this? I must always analyze in the macro. 5 minutes for this one. Okay? Because sometimes happen that analysis in 50 seconds, launch the Fibonacci, but it's break. Not necessarily, but levels of the type are strong and you have to see that. It's not so good. And what at the price does, the price specific point the price has doesn't pass in the first one. And it's trying to go up again. Look at this. Hey, do you want to join a group where it shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. 38 to 50. Oh no, that's not the 38. Yeah, the 38 to 50. Let's try this again. That's rejects, and that the other words 11 seem to have the being rated. Look at this. All right. So can I remove the now? Yes, and know the traces. The start where the 0 1. 3 minutes, and because I look where I am, guys, in the middle of the point, that's perfect. Let's do this. That's another and second tentative. Okay, let's give me the point well below. I enter on the upside, we see that reaction in this ME1 or M5 indicator. That means the price should continue to rise. The zone did not break. Okay, just still the 38 line is starting to go up again. That's the point. You can do this in the revert when it starts to go up and get down. But now that is in a downtrend, and we are trying to get a correction with using in an uptrend. Okay, remember that, guys. If the price were very close to the point, I would have to wait because we have to see it does here. Remember that it level of market support and resistance, that coincidence. Okay, that's perfect. So let's see what's happened to us done. Almost 10 seconds. We have the scenario it's playing out exactly. Let's plan it. The price gives us give the entry point when it's pulled back. Look at this, man. We just got this, baby. Got this right now. $78. Position 1. That's so good. 3 minutes is reason why I analyze it at this in M5. I wait for confirmation from the end. For the expiration based on the entry point. I wait another minute or I enter there. Let's increase that to 7 and 8. So I have the first success of the session, guys. I want to trade the second position on this one to make this video short because I was always difficult to get answers. I'm going to wait to see what's happened here. If I see although it's complicated, look at the structure, it's possible that level would be breached. But look at the price here. Remember, both the candles is falling, but that's why I have to be patient. The price get here doesn't go any further, guys. I would enter on the downside. Wait for the minute, for the time. The candles mounting above. Oh, look at this, and enter the. So I didn't enter on the upside. On the downside, I didn't have confirmation either, but luckily we have very hard close on this. And we got this again, getting revert. Let's try to use this one. Okay. That is still very close in the past, shorter for this. When you got this consideration, it's false. Generally, the next candle has to be green. That's happening right now. I entered in at a low point. That is trying to go up 15 minutes at range. It looks this like and going up. Change that to 1 more minute. That's so good, guys. So you can also see that if you see this range, you can take advantage of the movement in the last 5. This one. We have the second correction. Positions happen right now. Let's see what's gonna happen with this one. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Candle just loses strength and start to go up again. That's so nice. M5 can see that. And look at this, guys. We got another win to position with patient. Maybe I can entry, trade, everything. But guys, always wait with the trends. Wait for the entry points. Looks that I have to do. The expiration time is 3 minutes, which is fine. I think it is acceptable time. So I invite you to learn your opinion in the comments to see what you think. Right? Remember that Fibonacci Levels workshops are incomplete based on the trading view. And perhaps on this more important levels where I can make clear decisions. But understand the movement very well, guys. Understand very well and what is this. I decided to make decisions and see you in the next video. Wish you good profit, good operations. Have a good one and see you guys for 1 to 150.